This is number 15, Amazing Gertrude Part 2 for Bird Girls Bottom Voices. Starting where you come in on page 88, measure 44. Just look at that tail, she is sporting. Amazing Gertrude. Thanks, Doc. Amazing.